Particularly in Pakistan, right after the year 2000, big cities like Islamabad, Lahore, Karachi, and Peshawar have experienced a tremendous influx of population, resulting in an unorganized urban sprawl. So, what happens next? Today, in 2020, we are witnessing huge challenges in urban areas to cater to this population growth. The 21st century demands advanced solutions to these modern problems. The best solution is building smart cities in Pakistan along the lines of Singapore, New York, Sydney, and many others. Habib Rafiq Private Limited and Future Development Holdings Private Limited have joined hands to replicate the Singapore city in Pakistan. Capital Smart City, the first smart city in Pakistan and the 21st smart city in the world. One of the largest private real estate developments in the history of Pakistan. This state-of-the-art smart city is a master plan by Subarna Jurong that incorporates the European development model. It is the future that we need today. If you are interested in real estate in Pakistan, you would probably know that experts are striving to build a sustainable and workable city and replicate this model all over the world. So is the case with Capital Smart City. This benchmark of real estate development is going to be built from scratch, actually zero. Let's take a look at how this intelligent city is going to become digital and smart city. It is a self-sustainable city, a self-reliant development, not dependent upon outer sources. Big international names in designing, master planning, and engineering are appointed to make it a smart city to its full extent. Smart fleet management, smart solid waste management, facial recognition security system, free Wi-Fi zones, smart buildings, agriculture, logistics, and many other aspects integrated together will show how the digital world is going to make your physical world an easier place to live. Smart parking and smart traffic control system will solve the biggest issue of city life, traffic congestion, by tracking real-time traffic flow and operating as the situation demands. Meanwhile, smart solid waste management is entirely technology-driven, where it significantly helps in recycling, decreasing its overall cost, and preserving natural beauty. In order to ensure excellent quality of air, 60% of land is reserved for natural resources like water bodies, lush landscape, and steep hills. That is why they are calling it the biggest eco-friendly city of Pakistan. Moreover, you are going to experience for the first time smart homes in Pakistan here in Capital Smart City. All the firms involved in this project are conglomerates themselves, like Habib Rafiq Private Limited, FTHL, Subarna Jurong, Cracknell, Troon Golfs, Free Entertainment, Travels International, and many others. The first smart city of Pakistan is being introduced by RBS to the world and marketed to the layman. HRL has announced that they are soon launching Lahore Smart City. It will be the second smart city of Pakistan. Stay tuned for the latest updates. Check out their YouTube channel to get to know about the official announcements and latest development updates that are made twice a week. You can live a smarter life by having your own home here with an easy installment plan. RBS is the official sales partner of Capital Smart City. So, for booking your smart plot, contact RBS through Facebook or WhatsApp on given numbers.